Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We'll start with Solana, followed by MATIC because we already did Tron yesterday. And then we follow it by Litecoin, Polkadot, Shiba Inu, Avalanche, and then with Uniswap at number 20. Let's get straight into it. Solana against BTC. Here we are for Solana. Mountain range, yes. Not good, nope. Could we get a second mountain? Oh my god, if we get a second mountain, third mountain, fourth mountain, ladies and gentlemen, descending triangle, we drop down towards 2,000, right? It's actually 20,000 satoshis, but yeah, right now we're at 6,000. So yeah, we're not entirely sure what's going to happen, but I have a strange feeling we're going to be taking out these two lows for Solana against Bitcoin. So more downside is to be expected. Solana against USDT. We are also in a bearish rut. How much lower are we gonna go? We don't know. We don't know. We were actually hopeful around here, right? Way back in June, early June, we were like, hey boys and girls, we could be getting a symmetrical triangle and we could be getting a breakout. Choo! But it didn't happen. What happened instead? Yeah, we got pulled back lower, right? This was what happened. So yeah, again, it just throws the bullishness out of whack. Any clear signs of a bullish reversal? No. Do I think we're still going lower? Yeah. So we have our 222 target over here. We got this target way back in November. Right now it's already June. It's been more than 6, 7, 8 months that has already passed by. So again, we'll take things one step at a time, but I don't see any clear bearish chart pattern pointing towards 222. So in terms of tradability, Solana is just not as high quality compared to these head and shoulders, right? Do you see this? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, boom. But anyway, be very careful about rushing into Solana. MATIC against BTC. So here's MATIC. Yes sir, we caught this target. Where was this? March we caught the target and we've already hit the target and we've already sliced through the target. There is a fear that this could actually be a mountain range and MATIC could hit much lower. How much lower? This is just not that high quality yet, right? There is potential that the lows might hold and then we might see a break higher. I don't think so. I think more likely than not the direction is down, because ever since we broke the skinny pink line, we tried breaking back up and staying above the skinny pink line, but we got slapped back down. And so here we are for MATIC against BTC. Still, I think there's more downside, so you need to be very careful about rushing in. MATIC against USDT. We have our target over here, 38 cents. We're at 60 cents right now, so this is going to be about 20, I think. 40 is 40% towards the downside. There is big fear that we have that MATIC could be completing a big descending triangle over here, right? Mountain 1, Mountain 2, if we get a Mountain 3, right? I mean, the best thing that could happen for MATIC in the bullish sense, right, would be just slicing through 38 cents. I know it's going to be very painful. Slice through 38 cents, down to 30 cents, down to, 20 cents if the whales want to. And then we can start healing towards the bullish side of things. But if we hit 38 cents, right, and then we just start rallying, this is going to be very bad. Very bad. This will mean that there could be more downside. So the hope is that MATIC just continues slicing lower, right? We're gonna remove this support because we're still not really sure. All we know is that there's a 38 cents target. Will the lows here hold? We'll see. The point is, if we were to be in the short, we will probably be getting out at 38 cents, right? We're not gonna be waiting all the way down. So yeah, MATIC is still incredibly bearish. So again, be very careful. Litecoin, yes sir, LTC against BTC. Here we are for Litecoin. Does Litecoin look good? No. So you can see clusters of stop sells here, here, and here. So this whole thing is like a very curved type of support, right? We hit support, rose higher, got slapped down, and then we're forming mountain ranges right under the skinny pink line. We failed to truly break above the skinny pink line again, and so again more downsides to be expected for Litecoin. It's just not really looking good, right? All along, Litecoin has been in a downwards trend. No clear signs of a reversal, so it's not looking good. Litecoin against USDT, we were hopeful that Litecoin could get a symmetrical and continuing towards the upside, right? If you do a replay, things actually look pretty good over here, right? We could see some buying pressure coming in, but hey, this looks good, boys and girls. This looks good. We could get an ascending. Value 1, value 2, value 3, breaking higher towards 130, potentially 155. Ooh, this would be awesome. But eventually, yeah, we got pulled back down by the wheels of Litecoin. And so here we are. And yeah, it looks to me like a mountain range. Mountain 1, mountain 2, big mountain 3. This whole thing could be a descending triangle kind of a chart pattern. We could be heading lower for Litecoin against USDT, and we could be taking out all of these lows, right, as we head lower, right? So we've already returned back towards the skinny pink line. We don't want to come back to the skinny pink line. We want to stay above it, but yeah, we're back down. So I think we're gonna have to face reality and accept the possibility of Litecoin continuing lower. And yeah, again, we're not entirely sure at this point of time. Of course, we could still rise higher, but there are some signs of bearishness over here, right? Mountain ranges 1, 2 will be, you know, very clear clusters of stop sells over here. So if I were to be the whale of Litecoin, I will probably be taking out all of these clusters of stop sells by pulling the price lower. And we have already retouched the skinny pink line, so this is not good news. This is bad news. And yeah, if we had the proper consolidation over here, we could drop even lower. Yes, we are aware that there's a halving coming on for Litecoin in the month of August, but yeah, it doesn't really look that good at the moment. So, you know, we're going to be very cautious about rushing into anything for Litecoin, right, at this point of time. Polkadot, dot against BTC. This is why technical analysis is superior to fundamental analysis. Fundamentals will tell you that halving is coming. The rate of inflation will drop, and by right, you would expect the price to rise higher, right? But technical-wise, based on the price movements, this is not bullish. This is bearish. So more downside to be expected. And that is why, yeah, I was saying technical analysis, it's a must. It's an absolute must if you want to be trading, right? Dot against BTC. Yeah, we're still dropping lower. No signs of a reversal. Things are still very bearish. Yes, we're already oversold. We've been oversold so many times. Once in December over here, oversold. Another time over here in March, oversold. Yeah, we were already in oversold territory again over here in May. Again, we're entering oversold territory in June. Who's to say that we can't continue the oversold moves for Polkadot? Right. So that's why the trend is your friend. Always remember that the trend is your friend. Don't try. I mean, depending on how experienced you are, knife catching is a very bad idea. Even for me, I would say knife catching is a very bad idea unless you know what you're doing. And yeah, imagine when things go into oversold, you know, you buy here, what happens? We drop lower, 20%. Oversold, again, you buy again in May, 15% we drop. Oversold, right? Again, we drop into oversold territory, another 15%. It just keeps dropping lower and lower and lower and lower. No clear signs of a bullish move, right? As long as we're under the skinny pink line, we will respect the skinny pink line and remain with our bearish bias for dot BTC. Dot against USDT. We are here. We have a target for 333. More downside to be expected. Yes, sir. More downside to be expected. So we had this target way back in September, long time ago. 4 plus 6, 10 months ago. Almost, not a year, but 10 months ago, we had this target. And it feels to me like we're heading lower for dot against USDT towards our $3.33 target. So yeah, it's still not looking good. Could we be wrong? Of course. Suddenly out of nowhere, pew, we just start, you know, rallying at breakneck speed. But I don't think so. It's very weak. We're under the skinny pink line, so we respect the skinny pink line and remain with our bearish bias towards our target at 333, which we got in September 2022. Shiba Inu, yes sir, SHIB against USDT. Here we are for SHIB. We have a target over here, 420. We are at 718 right now. More downside to be expected, yes sir. More downside to be expected. We're rallying, yes, we're in a rally right now. Could this rally continue high? Of course. No guarantees that we're gonna hit targets, of course. Yeah, but this is not what I would consider as a bullish move. Could we see, yeah, maybe a little higher before we drop low? Of course. For sure, of course. But yeah, SHIB looks like it's heading towards 420. No clear signs of the SHIB hitting the brakes yet. So yeah, it's not good. It's not good, boys and girls. I think we're going to take out these lows together with these lows as well as we head towards 420. So be careful, boys and girls. Be careful. AVAX against BTC. Here we are for AVAX. We hit targets. Ta-da! 4,007. We got this target again in September. Long time ago, we had a target. And again, we are under the skinny pink line. The moment we cross the skinny pink line, we respect the skinny pink line and we switch our bias to bearish. And it'll be wise to switch your bias. Look at how far we've fallen since crossing the skinny pink line. All right, 73%. That's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. So yeah, more downside. Yeah, I think so. I think we're going to be taking out these lows. I suspect we'll be taking out these lows eventually. We might consolidate a little bit before taking it, but yeah, I think it's very likely we're going to take out these lows. So, but we don't have a target though, so we're going to take things one step at a time for AVAX BTC. Wait, I'm going to remove this because we're still not sure. AVAX against USDT. Yeah, we still have our two targets over here. $9 and $7.60. $9 was the target we got since, again, September as well. The target on BTC has already hit for AVAX, but the one on USD has yet to be hit. And we still expect more downside. We still expect these lows to be taken out. And $7.60 is the next target after $9. And yeah, it's not looking good. The support might come in over here though, at around $6.93. Right, so maybe after we hit targets, there might be a strong rally coming on. Again, we're still not entirely sure. We shall wait for that curve to come in first before calling bullish reversal, right? There was some urge to break the skinny pink line, right? But yeah, we couldn't stay above it and we got slapped down. Pah! And yeah, here we are. Still buyers bearish for AVAX. No clear high quality bearish sharp pattern to trade from for AVAX. So yeah, stay safe. Stay safe. The end might not be too far away, but again, we're still not entirely sure. We need to let the whales do their thing first. Uni against BTC. Uni against BTC. We'll take a look on Binance. Binance is under siege. Uni against BTC. Mountain range. Yes. Mountain 1, Mountain 2. Are we going to rise up for another mountain? If you rise up for another mountain, this is very bad. Very, very bad. Which means that this could be a descending triangle. So no rallies, no more third mountain. If you get a third mountain, it's bad. If you could just slice through everything, right? UniBC, bam, slice through everything, tick up, everybody stop sell over here, and hopefully after that we start reversing towards the upside for Uni against BTC. But at this point of time, I still don't see any clear signs of a proper tradable chart pattern. So yeah, again, in terms of tradability, it's just, you know, we just can't be making a move for Uni at the moment. Uni against USDT. Yes, sir, there's a target over here. $1.96, sub $2. We got this target since March. Now it's June, March, April, May, June. 3 months ago, we had this target, and we would expect this target to be hit. I think we're probably going to take out this low here because the target is very close to the low over here at 182. So a very long dip down, zoop, and then we start rallying back higher, right? The faster we fall, the faster we recover. The slower we fall, the slower we recover. You see that? Do you see that? Fast down, fast recover. So again, we are not entirely sure what's going to happen over here, but we are leaning towards the bearish side of things for Uniswap. So be very, very careful about rushing into a trade too soon for Uniswap. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 20. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!